I'm very happy kasi anywhere I go, merong derm care. Siyempre, you need to make sure na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. And that's why yung derm care, which is for me, na laging nandyan, and they really do care for you. So kaya yun yung gusto ko sa kanila.
Nalaman ko ang derm care 7 years ago. My main problem was I have an oily skin and super sweaty underarm. Ang magpapaganda ngayon, masyado nang mahal. Ang pinakagusto ko kay derm care is for everybody.
Since 20 years old pa lang ako nag-start, gumagamit pa rin ako nito. Papayawid Calamansi, yan ang aking gamit. Pati deodorant.
Sa pako ko nakita yung derm care, nag-try ako doon. Nung maumpisahan ko, dito na lang ako sa derm care.
Ambience nung place din. Pag hindi kasi maganda yung ambience, parang hindi ka rin komportable. Abot kaya mo kahit magpa-facial ka na weekly, okay lang. Kasi affordable siya.
When I first came here, yung staff, they are very accommodating. They genuinely care for you and they make you feel like a part of family.
I don't usually wear makeup, and skin is really serves as a big impact to the people that you meet. When you have a glowing skin, you feel confident.
Nahiyang ako, tapos nakita ko talaga yung best result sa akin. Kahit may mag-recommend sa akin ng ibang brand, hindi ko talaga siya ginagamit or hindi ako bumibili ng ibang brand, talagang derm care lang talaga. Kasi doon ko nakita yung yung glow ng skin, tapos yung effect na maganda, yung result na maganda, kaya talagang loyal na loyal.
I always look forward to visiting derm care. Kasi it's the only place where I can really relax. 7 years experience I had with derm care, consistently excellent. The asset of derm care are the people.
Yung mga may edad na makipagbeso-beso ka, mga ganon, nakakatimik ang mukha nila. Kasi ako kahit saan magpunta, tatanungin ako ng mga tao, ilang taon na po kayo? Sabi ko, hulaan na lang po ninyo, 60. Ay, naku, mali po kayo, 80 na po ako eh. Ay, naku, sabi, ang ganda naman. Ang ganda ng derm care. Maganda sa isang tao, nakatulad kong ayokong tumanda.
Well, you look so young. What do you do? So I said, I just go to the spa. I go to derm care. And actually, madami na akong na dito recommend. Most of my relatives and friends nandito na.
Nang ma-start ko ang derm care, ang facial nila is nagbo-blooming ako kasi yun yung sabi ng aking husband. Wow, ang misis ko. Tuwing nakikita ko, lalong gumaganda. Sa age kong ito, is 52, na-service sa akin ng derm care is 26 years.
Kasi unang-una, nagustuhan ko yung gawa nila. Then pangalawa, nagkakaroon din ako ng kaibigan dito. Tapos yung product din. Kaya hindi ako pwedeng walang ganun na derm care.
It's no longer a question. I've been recommending derm care ever since I started here. Masaya ako na I was given the chance na mag-talk in behalf of derm care. Actually, the talk itself was so successful that I had several praises na na-receive. Masaya naman ako, and that was the time na I felt na, wow, I belong to this family.
Wala naman ako nakikita before na anything na kailangan kong gagawin. Parang nare-realize ko na hindi lang pala sapat yung eating the right kind of food, pag-take ng vitamins. So nare-realize ko na kailangan din ng support ng kagaya ng derm care para sa pagpapaganda.
Nag-stay ako sa derm care because yung service nila nagustuhan ko. Nag-start kami as an incentive niya from Sun Life. So yun, as a group, para makapag-relax din kami after ng aming contest na. Paulit-ulit nang pupunta because of the service din sa mga staff, naging kaibigan mo na. Na-trust ko na sa kanila aking face.
I became loyal to derm care because, of course, their quality service and comparing the price range compared to other wellness establishments, it was very, very affordable to everybody.
Marami akong nagustuhan sa derm care. Pamilya ang turing nila sa'yo, hindi lang kliyente. Sila po ay napaka-approachable. Hindi lang business yung kanilang iniindurso, kundi yung pagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay ng isang tao.
And I hope, and I congratulate you for the 30 years of success, and hopefully you'll have more 30 years to come.
Continue to make people more maganda.
Continue to do your advocacy.
Continue doing what you do best.
Sana mas lalo pa ko kayong tumagal at mas lalo pang dumami ang branches ninyo.
I know that you will inspire more, give more to all the people around.
Papasalamat ako kasi yun, inalagaan nila ako. Kumbaga, naging parang family yung turing nila sa akin. Talagang i-recommend ako yung derm care kung saan man ako pumunta kasi talagang malaki rin yung naging change sa buhay ko dahil sa derm care. Yun.